Hi, we're back. It's been 5 hours that the turkey has been in the water, with the water running. I can start getting the pieces out now. I'll show you how I wrestle this out. So one reason why I want to get the turkey defrosted is that it has this plastic thing in there. I definitely don't want to cook it with this thing in there. Don't want any more plastic with my diet. This is still pretty frozen. There's a chunk of ice in here. Try some warm water. Here's the giblets and stuff. What's still frozen pretty solid in there is the turkey neck. That's pretty hot water coming out right now. I really like to get this turkey into the pot with the brine, so I can get this done tonight. It's already 9 o'clock at night, so that means it'll be brined by 1 in the morning. There we go. That's the neck. I'm still pulling out pieces of ice, so I just want to get the rest of this thing quickly defrost so I can brine it. It'll defrost in the brine in the next 4 hours. But I definitely want to get the cavity through the neck open. Yeah, the water's flowing out on the other side. Okay. The inside is tender, or at least you know, it's still somewhat frozen, but not to the point that it's going to impede the next step, which is brining. So I'll give this a quick rinse. I'm going to put the turkey back in, breast side down, because that's the most important. This already has 1 cup of iodized salt in here that has been dissolved with hot water. I'm just filling it up to make a full gallon. Yep, that got all the salt. And the temperature right now outside is below freezing, so I'm going to put this all outside for the night and let it brine outside on a table. Bring it in at 1 in the morning. Okay, that's it.